Preparing a home to sell can be stressful, especially if you've been putting off the necessary repairs. Instead of spending the money and going through the hassle of repairs and remodeling, selling a house in as-is condition might be the attractive option for you. Selling a home in as-is means you are selling it in its current condition, and the buyers understand that the seller will not be making repairs or improvements, even if the inspection report shows there's problems or needed repairs. It's possible that selling a home in as-is condition will cause the seller to get a lower priced offer, but the benefit to the seller is you're not committing to do any of the work to the property. In the seller's market, selling a home that needs work will not deter buyers if it's priced right, whereas in a buyer's market, a home that isn't up to par may sit longer on the market. If you have questions regarding your home and the best options for you, give us a call at Pinyon Properties, 702-336-9612. We are your real estate one-stop shop.